There, and welcome to another video from Hegarty Maths. It's Mr. Hegarty here. It's the fourth GCSE Maths revision video. It requires knowledge you've done in videos 1 to 3. Okay, just to remind you, pause the video and read this to explain how these videos work. In summary, they're short, sharp revision of key topics. Make a revision card with the examples I do. Try the exam questions on the back of the revision card I do. And explanations will be short and sharp, not in too much detail. Look at the website for further detail. So, in these questions, we've got two brackets, two single brackets we need to expand and collect like terms. So we're going to do 5 examples. So the first thing you do is expand each one. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by positive 3 is positive 6. Positive 3 multiplied by x is positive 3x. And positive 3 multiplied by positive 5 is positive 15. Then you collect like terms, as we did in another video. Positive 2x and positive 3x, positive 6 add a positive 15. So in total, you've got 5x and positive 6 add positive 15 is positive 21. And you're done. Okay, same thing with example 2. 3 multiplied by 2x is 6x. 3 multiplied by positive 4 is positive 12. Positive 2 multiplied by 4x is positive 8x. Positive 2 multiplied by positive 1 is positive 2. So collect like terms now. You've got a positive 6x and a positive 8x and a positive 12 and a positive 2. So in total, 6x add 8x is 14x and 12 add 2 is add 14. Okay, same thing for the next example. 3x multiplied by 2x is 3 multiplied by 2x is 6x. 3 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 12. 2 multiplied by 4x is positive 8x. 2 multiplied by 1 is positive 2. Now careful with negatives here. We've got a 6x and a positive 8x and a negative 12 add a positive 2. So we've got 6x add 8x is 14x as in example 2. But negative 12 add 2 is actually negative 10. Why? Well, if you're at negative 12 on the number line, and there's 0, and you add 2, you go 2 spaces to the right, you get to negative 10. So negative 14x, subtract 10. Okay, next one. 5 multiplied by 2x is 10x. 5 multiplied by positive 4 is positive 20. 2 multiplied by x is positive 2x. 2 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 6. So now we're going to combine 10x, add a 2x, and we're going to have a positive 20, subtract a 6. So what are we going to have? Well, we're going to have 10 add the 2 is 12x's, 20 take away 6 is positive 14. And the last example, so let's go through that together. 5 multiplied by 2x is 10x. 5 multiplied by 4, a positive 4 is positive 20. Negative 2 multiplied by x is negative 2x. And negative 2 multiplied by negative 3 is positive 6. So let's combine these. 10x take away a 2x. And we've got a positive 20 and a positive 6. So what have we got? Well, we've got 10x take away 2x is 8x. 20 add 6 is positive 26. And they're the 5 examples that you need to revise. Now I'm going to show you 2 exam questions. Pause the video, try them. I'll show you the answers in 10 seconds. Okay, going through these, what we're going to do is expand first. So 3 multiplied by x is 3x. 3 multiplied by positive 4 is positive 12. Positive 2 multiplied by 5x is positive 10x. And positive 2 multiplied by negative 1 is negative 2. Now you collect like terms. A positive 3x and a positive 10x. And you've got a positive 12 and a negative 2. So what's that going to turn out to be? Well, it's going to be 13x. 12 take away 2 is positive 10. That would be our answer. Okay, the next one. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. 2 multiplied by negative 4 is negative 8. 3 multiplied by x is positive 3x. Positive 3 multiplied by positive 5 is positive 15. Collect like terms. 2x add 3x, and we've got negative 8 add 15. So we just got to think carefully. 2x add 3x is certainly 5x. Negative 8 add 15 is positive 7. Let's just consider why that's true. You're at negative 8 on the number line. You're at negative 8 all the way over here, and you're going to add 15. You're adding 15, so going to the right 15. If you add 8, that'll get you to 0, and that leaves you with another 7 to add to get to positive 7, hence the positive 7. And we're done for this video.